How to transfer money from PayPal to Gcash. The first thing you need to do is simply open PayPal on your phone. After that, you will need to click on Payments at the bottom right. Then, you should choose Mobile Wallet Transfers. Now, it will ask you where you are sending the money. Since Gcash is in the Philippines, we will search for the Philippines and select it. Then, you will need to choose how much you are sending. After that, click on Next. Now, choose a receiving option. Select the second option, Mobile Wallet, and choose Gcash. Click on Next. Now, in this field here, Mobile Wallet Provider, click on it and choose GCASH. You will also need to enter the recipient's mobile number. Then by clicking on Next, it will ask you to enter more information about the recipient. Once you have entered all the information, you will be able to send the money. If you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.